Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get more Airbnb reviews. So, first things first is cleanliness. You want to keep your space, very clean, meticulously clean. Make sure it's well maintained, okay? And you want to also have good communication because you need to respond properly to messages, right? You want to provide clear check-in instructions and you want to be available to answer any questions. So look at these. These ones have really good reviews. As you can see, they are well maintained. They're clean. You want to offer thoughtful amenities. For example, let's look at this one. Amenities that basically enhance their stay. You want to also add small personal touches, welcoming gestures like, local treats or a handwritten note. That can go a long way. Let's see some of the reviews in this place as well. So let's scroll down. As you can see, here we go. Quiet, comfortable home. Right? Look at this. Pricing. You see this? Competitive pricing. You want to set a price that is fair for your location and amenities. And you want to also actively ask for reviews. I'm sure some of these reviews right here, that Deborah actually went and asked for them, right? And you can also send reminder emails. So after checkout, you can send a polite reminder to guests to leave a review. And you can also personalize your request. You can thank guests for staying and mention specific aspects of their stay that you hoped they enjoyed. And you can consider offering incentives, which is optional. Offer small perks for leaving a review, but you can go ahead and check Airbnb policies first for that. And also you can go ahead and have a accurate description. You want to clearly describe your space, including any features, right, that are there in this property and any potential limitations, right? You want to be very clear, very upfront. You want to use high quality photos. Use professional looking photos that showcase your property's best aspects. And then, of course, you want to offer thoughtful amenities that will actually enhance the stay. As you can see, there's a lot of amenities in this one, and it's really that easy and simple.